Often interior design can feel like maybe this is a luxury or that's just for the person on TV. The reality is, with a little effort and investment and maybe someone to help guide you, you can have a retreat every day in your own home where you need it most.
I love what I get to do, and I love to create beautiful spaces and the relationships along the way. We want you to have a home that works best for your family, reflects your family's personalities, and a place that you will make memories in.
At Truth & Co, we love creating thoughtful and beautiful spaces that meet the functional needs of a family, but we love helping reduce and cushion the headaches and hassle along the way. Ultimately, we exist to help people, to help you.
We've developed a system and a process to help get you through your project from start to finish. Sometimes the hardest step to take is the first one, and we're here to give you the confidence you need so that you don't have to make any decisions alone.
One of the things that we love the most about the Truth & Co approach is that we are a team. So you're gonna get a lot of different people focusing on your project to make sure that nothing is missed, and all the details from communication with your contractor to ordering of your furniture and tracking your budget are all taken care of, and you get the home that you want.
We love serving families in all different seasons, whether they're retired or single or just a young family with kids. We believe that everyone wants to come home to a beautiful space.
Truth & Co started in our own home several years ago with a dream, and 4 little girls and several homes later, we were wanting to leave the world a brighter place than we found it.
The spaces you create are the backdrop of the memories you'll make. And the reality is you travel all over the world, standing in front of beautiful things and taking selfies and taking pictures because you want to cherish that memory. But the greatest memories are the ones that are happening in your home. And so we want to help you make those great, and that's why we're excited to be on this journey with you.